Okay guys, this is my new toy. You put your finger in there and it helps you not put your finger there again. As you can see, the end, it's that end screws off and you can change the nozzles. Sorry buddy. Oh, I know, I'm sorry, damn, I'm sorry. Dropped the device on you. Sorry buddy. So you know I didn't mean to hurt you. So the you have different nozzles you can put on it, and it's a grout. You put a drill in the back, and you hold this handle here, and it's for grout. You put your grout in, You put your mortar in, and you use it for pointing. Yep, it's a little bit out of equilibrium. I'm going to turn this manually, and it forces it out the other end. Of course, you need to have the viscosity to come out the other end. So whatever you mix here, make sure it matches the capabilities of this end. So it's just a grout pointing tool. There's the name of it if you care to look. I've used a different version of this in the past. This is the cheap version that I said I'm going to give it a shot. This one I'm going to use on some stonework. It's much larger. Thumb, you see that's my thumb thickness. You could even run a flat blade like that. That's going to use a lot more grout. A little different hole. Again, a different hole on this one. These might be doubles on these. Yeah, this is a double, and this is also a double on this one. So these two are the same. Those two are the same, and these are different. This one fits in that one. Smaller. This one will not fit in this one because they're equal. Okay, so you get two of these. You see the name of it. Enjoy it. It's a grout gun. It really does work. Oh, if you're going to remove brick, so I lost my mind, so I ordered another one. When I say lost, I mean it was liberated. Somebody stole it. So you leave it on a job and they disappear. Different jobs. I try to show the contractors different ways to go about it. Next you know, it's missing. So this one can remove a brick. You see how long it is. You have a brick that you want to, fracture brick you want to get out, instead of hammering at it, chiseling at it, and weakening the other surface. You go down to it, vacuum, using a vacuum to get rid of the dust. Go around the brick, and your brick is free. Pull your brick out, you can clean up the surface a bit. A little bit of chatter though, this is going to be more fine. I've had one with multiple blades. The more blades you add, like this is all grit, but the more blades you add, the more smooth it will be. So if you have a 3-blade one, which I do have, it chatters more than, say, a 6-bladed carbide one. It's more diamond impregnated. It will, again, you just hook it to a grinder, and it will route out your brick to remove it. This is not for repointing. There's a smaller one of this. I do own it. It's a small version, it comes way down to here. And that's the one for repointing, along with the carbide one. This does come in different thicknesses, for your mortar joint. Pencil size, can't really, I think this is 6mm. You want to get less than that, might be a little bit troublesome finding it. Might just use a grinder with a diamond blade on it. Alright, so hopefully this was educational for you and informative. This is my new cheap version that I'm trying out. Haven't tried it yet, but I will, and it should work. There's just an auger. Again, it's viscosity that has to come out of there. You don't want it backing up here too much, and you want it to be able to stick inside the stone without dripping down the wall. So it starts dripping down the wall, you're too much. It is kind of hard to see over initially, so you're going to have to get used to orienting the drill kind of like on an angle, and then holding the handle here, because this is not really conducive to looking at the wall, even though it may look easy that way. It's really, this shoots in the way quite a bit. This is not long enough to see past it. It's long enough. It's the proper balance though. Once you get the mortar in it, this is about what the other one I used was. Proper balance for it. All right, end the video. Hopefully this will help you out. There's the name. You can go to the eBay and get it. You can go to anywhere to get it, Amazon, or wherever you like. Oh, it's like $50.